Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Instagram with Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's go and open up your preferred browser on your desktop, and you can see the search bar over here and type in the URL instagram.com and hit enter. And after you have landed on this page, you can see the login with Facebook option over here, which is this one, and click there. And after that, it will redirect you to log into Facebook page. So put your credentials over here and let's go. And after that, just click on the login, and there guys, you can see we have successfully logged into the Instagram with our Facebook account. And let's not turn the notification right now. And there guys, logging into Instagram with your Facebook account is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.